In this video, I'll show you how to add a link to a picture in Google Slides. Adding a link to a picture is a simple way to make your presentation more interactive. In Google Slides, you can make an image clickable, so it opens a website, a file, or even jumps to another slide in the same presentation. Google's Slides Help and Help Community Guidance show that links can be added from the Link tool after selecting an object, including linking to slides inside the presentation. First, open your presentation in Google Slides on your computer and go to the slide with the picture. If you have not added the image yet, insert it first, then click the picture once, so it is selected. Google's Slides Help confirms that images can be inserted from the Insert menu and then selected and edited on the slide. Now with the picture selected, click the Insert Link button in the toolbar or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+K on Windows or Command+K on Mac. Then type or paste the web address you want to open and click Apply. Help Community Guidance for Google Slides shows this same image link workflow. If you want the picture to jump to another slide instead of a website, select the image, open the Link tool, and choose Slides in this presentation. From there, you can link to a specific slide or choose options like Next Slide, Previous Slide, First Slide, or Last Slide. This is especially useful for interactive menus, quizzes, and non-linear presentations. After that, test the link in presentation mode. Start the slideshow and click the picture to make sure it goes to the correct place. That part is important because links are meant to be used during presenting, not just while editing the slide. This testing flow is reflected in community guidance for linking images in slides. So the steps are simple. Select the picture, click the link button, add a website URL or choose a slide in the presentation, apply the link, and then test it in slideshow mode. That's how to add a link to a picture in Google Slides. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.